You know what's better? Stop it. You know what's better than... Let's get this party started. Cutting board.
Not good.
You know what's better than getting alcohol poisoning?
Oh my god, what?
Getting alcohol poisoning courtesy of an aviation.
Ooh, I agree.
I'm Melissa.
And I'm Matt.
And welcome back to our channel.
Don't forget that it's mandatory to like and subscribe before you continue watching.
So you're probably sitting at home wondering what the is an aviation.
And I know nothing about an aviation besides how to drink it, so I'm just gonna sit here and sip my rosé.
So an aviation is actually a forgotten cocktail during Prohibition.
Prohibition? Cannot relate.
Ew.
We would have never made it.
So the rest of the world, while they were drinking legally, was using this cocktail as a bartender's handshake. So essentially, nowadays, if you go around and you order this drink, you're cool.
Very cool.
So let's get this party started. Cutting board. And then knife me.
Oh, you didn't mean like that, did you?
So, first, while you're cutting your lemon, let's discuss what you're going to be using. You're going to go ahead and get some Luxardo Maraschino Liqueur. If you don't know what maraschino is, it's a cherry, you idiot. And this you can get small bottle, big bottle, but you should definitely have it for the bar cart.
She has it stocked up because we make these a lot.
Some quality gin. I hate gin other than in aviation, so this is strictly for aviation purposes. And then this is what makes the aviation the aviation. So Crème de Violette is definitely not the most common liqueur. It just became a little bit more commercial recently. So now you can get this at the liquor store, but that's why this was such a bartender handshake, because you literally can buy this in the store.
So rare.
So let's get this party started. So we're gonna go ahead and start with our gin.
Oh my god, it smells like alcohol poisoning already.
Obviously, we're gonna use a little bit extra.
As you should.
And then we're gonna go ahead and add our maraschino liqueur. I normally do a 4 count, so we'll just see what that turns out to be. Almost, this is about 1.5.
Wow, those were some long seconds. You were definitely counting to 4 Mississippi.
And then we're gonna move on to our crème de violette, or not. I'm gonna.
Oh, it's looking like she needs a strong man to step in here. Oh, look, he's flexing his muscles a little bit. Oh, nice and easy, actually.
So the reason why this is such a fabulous Melissa cocktail is because I go heavy on the violets.
Ooh, yes, look at that splash.
1 ounce. You want it to be extra purple. So then we're gonna go ahead and add I do about 1/2 of a lemon. Go ahead and squeeze that. And then we're gonna go ahead and show you how to make a simple syrup, which is also not in the original recipe, but it's Melissa's cocktail, so we're gonna make it how I want.
Remix.
So we're just gonna add a little bit of cane sugar. Doesn't matter the brand, whatever you want. Obviously I'm getting organic because I'm bougie. And then we're gonna go ahead and add pretty much equal parts of water. That's about enough. And I'm gonna this is optional, but sprinkle just 2 little lavender sprinkles in there. And you're just gonna stir it while it's on the stove until it turns into, pretty much until you see the sugar disintegrate and it's a syrup. So just for those at home who don't know what lavender flower is, it's quite literally dried lavender.
Just what it sounds like.
So you're just gonna add a little simple if you want. This is an optional thing, but this is what makes my Aviations ideal. And go ahead and ice me.
Here you go.
So you're gonna go ahead and shake. Not particularly, I mean, sort of liquid.
Oh, not me, I'm not supposed to shake.
Give me a
She's
glass.
shaking. Very bossy.
So, you can just strain it this way, which is how I'm gonna strain it, or you can use a basic strainer. And
Wow.
next one. And normally you would garnish this with a lemon peel, but we're gonna go ahead and garnish these with flowers.
Looks like that one's for you. I'll take the bigger one.
Real hot girl shit.